Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm attempting live mock test. Only quant and reasoning section I'm attempting, guys, because I'm not applied for this IBPS clerk. So just for subscribers request, I'm uploading numerical ability and reasoning section. So this is just for way of solving video, how I am solving. So let's.
So 11, 25, 53, 85, 151. So 13, 14, 28, 32. I think it's 85. Next 38, 2, 3, 5, 7, 48 plus 7, 55, but it's 56. 45, 89, 177, 355, 705. 44, 8, 88. So 176. Okay. 8, that is 355. 12, 22, 34, 49, 64. 10, 12, 15, so 14, 49, 80, 90, 110, 160, 230. So 10, 20, 240 means 150, that is 160. 11, 12, 66, 264, 1265. So 22 means 11 and 44. So into 2, into 3, into 4, into 5, 1265. So investment of Q is 5% more than P, 5:4. So overall investment 9 is, so 9 means 1, 5. So 60, 75. And Q, these are 12 months, 1 year, and after 4 months later, that is 8, 5K. So 2 fours, 3 fours, 3. Into 10, into 12, into 15, 45, 36, 20. 36, 45, 20. Option B. Next one. A shopkeeper mixed 9 liters of soya bean with 120 per liter and certain amount of sunflower, that is X, with 90. He sold 9 plus X with 135 and 25% profit. So 4 by 5, 68, I think. 68. 1080 plus 90x is 612 plus 68x. 135, 4. Sold and earned 25% profit. So 25% profit. What is the quality of sunflower oil? So 120, 135, 90. So 50 and 45. 3:1. So 90 is 9 liters. Then what is 3? When 20 is 9, and this is 3 liters. Round about 3x each tray, 30x, 95 or 50. When he reached home, he found 1/9 of total eggs, 90, 1/9, 10, is total and remaining 80 eggs with 6 480, so 30 profit. So 15 100 by 15 20 by 3%. Next, a sum amounts 1664 at 7% rate of simple interest. What is the simple interest on sum? So P plus P into 7 into 4. 128 P by 100 is 1664. Think 8. So 32 416 482. So 1300. Then what is 3%? 390. In an examination, student got 32% of total marks and failed 8, and another student. So 3% is 24. Then what is 100%? 800. Okay. Option C. Given school A, B, C, D, E of respective percentages 21, 24, 16, 9, 30 of boys. So total number of boys are 800. Now let's go to the questions. Number of boys B, C, A together. B, C 40, 70. So 560. In school A 60% are boys. So 21 8 are 60%. Then what is girls? 40%. 2 3 7 and 2 16 1 1 2. The average weight of boys in C is 45. 16 8 45, and that of T is 9 into 8 is 50. Then what is the average weight? So that is average weight of boys and also girls. So 9 5 is 45 into 80, 45 into 128. So 45 into 208 by average boys of C and D. 25 into 8. Okay, 5 9. 2 4s 2. So 26 9. So 22 4 by 5. So 44. It is. So 5 18, that is 334 by 5 60 26 9. So 234 means by 5 446.8. Option D. The total number of boys in E 30. What percent of boys in B? 24. 6 4 75%. Sorry. E what percentage? 125%. The boys in F are 6 by 5 more than the boys in E. Okay. 48 into 6. And number of girls in F4 1/4. So 1/4, it is 12 into 6 72. Next one. A started from point P 9 am and Q towards Q with a speed 47, and B started from Q 11 at 3. Next, 164 they meet. overall 164. Okay, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, so 2 means 94. So 80 divided by 6. So 6 means 40 by 3. 60, 20, 800. 80 by 48. 100. 48 minutes. Next question. A 2-digit number such that product of digits is 12, that is added to the number, then digits are interchanged. 10x plus y, 36 is 10y plus x. So here into x, so 10 into 9 into y minus x is 36, y minus x is 4, and whole square 16, and 48. 64, y minus x is 8, y plus x is 8, y minus x is 4, 2y is 12, y equal to 6, x equal to 2. Then find the number, that is 26. Next one. To 24, 528. Next 56, 37. So 904, 225, 625, 859, 841, that is 29. So 37, 518, and 623 minus 518, 50, 0, 100x, 550. So 9 minus 153 minus 12 is x. 165 minus 9 minus 156. So 20. 180 minus 54, 6. 126 minus 12, 114. Next one, 350, 560, 20, 540 by 30, 18. 26 plus x, 16, 2, 2. So 2, 5, 352, 26. 326, option A. 3 power 32 and 3 power 81, 3 square, 3 cube, 3 power 5, 3 power 17, 15, 3 power 5x, so 3. Next one, Adi complete 50, we now 40. 20 means to 4. 40, 200, 4, 5. Both of them 9 is work. 8 days Veena left and 4x is 200. 128 by 4, 32. 32 plus 8, 40 days. Next, in a class total 25 students. Of X, 5 more students are added, that is 30. Average is increased, x plus 2. What is the average age of 25 students if average age of extra 5 is 26? $130. 25x plus 130 is 30x plus 60. So 5x is 70. 14. Next one. Length of the triangle B is 5L, 4L. B crosses, that is 4L plus 10 and 350 by 60. 4L by 20. 12L. 12 is 350 by 8. It is 5. So 0 by 8 to 16. 8 218. Next one. In a class 65 students, boys and girls 32. 39, 26. 2 games, badminton and cricket. If the students play badminton, cricket. If students play both games, he opt for both the games. So 26 opt play only badminton, whereas 11 students to play both. So 3, 33, 65, 32. Cricket. So 43, 65. 200. So 678. It is 65. 50% of girls opt. 50% of girls opt only cricket. 16. 16 girls. Right. So 10 badminton. So 23. 50% of girls opt play only cricket, that is 16. Total number of students who opt play cricket. Only cricket 16. Only cricket. Total number of students who opt. So 43, 1600. Is 30 next one, only 2 volts apply both. 16
section, sorry. So next section, that is reasoning section. So here 8 people, so 8 people PQ up to W are seated around rectangular table. So 3 people seated along longer side and 1 person shorter side. So S is seated toward to the left of Q and V is not adjacent to the S, and R is opposite to T and adjacent to the W. Next, so I think this is Q. S is toward to the left of Q and V is second to the left of P. P is shorter side. V is second to the left of P. Q is one of the longer side and was seated opposite to the one who immediate left of W. Next, R is opposite to T and adjacent to W. So R is opposite to T and adjacent to W. And again V is not adjacent to S. So this is place for V. V is third to the left of T, 1, 2, 3 W. Position of V with respect to the O, second to the left. 4 of the following ST adjacent, WV adjacent, and PQ or W also same side. So US have in between 1 opposite to P, that is S. So I think it's none of these. Next, H is the only daughter of T. T is the father of B. B who is married to D. D does not have children. And U is the mother-in-law of A. K is the sister of the person who is son-in-law of T. So here son-in-law of T is, this is, because H is the only daughter, this is son. U is the mother-in-law of A. So suppose this is A, this is U. K is the sister of the person who is son-in-law of T. Which among the following is correct? A is the wife, no, and U is the husband. K is the sister-in-law of H. So C. Next one, J, K, L, R, S, T, U, V, W, F, G, H, E, F, G. So option D. Next one, so B is 100 kilometers to the north of G. C is 60 kilometers south of R. S is 40 kilometers north of D. So here Q is 80 kilometers north of A and G is 90 kilometers west of A and R is 70 kilometers east of Q. Next, B is 100 kilometers north of G. C is 60 kilometers south of R. C is 60 kilometers south of R. S is 40 kilometers north of D. And D is 50 kilometers east of C. S is 40 kilometers north of D. This is 60. R is 70 kilometers east of Q. What is the shortest distance between the B and D, and which direction of B with respect to the D? So northwest, 50, 70, 90. 160 plus 50, 210. Square 44100 and this is already 20, 80, 64, that is 6400, 005, 505. 27 southwest. Next 10 3 53 3. So 30 route 53 southwest. As I drives 125 kilometers east of A. So 210 125 90 160 35 125 and right 60 meters. With respect to the O, southwest, which direction? It is 60 80 60 140 19600 and this is 35. So 35 as it is 120 kilometers east of A, 125 east of A, 70 125 east of A and turn right 60. Which direction? Drive now to reach R. O means west, west 55 and 80 1. Which direction should he now to reach all? So 195. Next, given persons 2006 2008 2010 12 14 16 18. Q is younger than M. N was born immediately before. O was born before 10. S is youngest. So N is immediately before P. Q is younger than M. Q and M leap years after M and also Q. N P. So this is not possible and this is R. Eldest is O. Immediately after R, Q. How many kids after M? 3. Non-leap years 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one. Z greater than R. Less than R. No. U less than equal to C. Only 2. C greater than Q. J less than equal to O. So only one is true. Next, L greater than J. And V less than equal to I. V less than equal to O. Both 1 and 2. Next, Q less than C. So either 1 or 2. Next one. Using the letters 4, 6, 8, 11. 4 is I. 60, 8P, R. So meaningful word trip, Trip, ripe, no, dripped. So I think only one word, first letter is trip, that is T. Next one, 9 Dominoes, different brands: Oddbee, Blossom, Crafty, Generic, Hamley, Magic Royal Toast. So Webby is immediately left of Hamley. She is adjacent to Generic. Oddbee second position from the one of the table. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oddbee second position. Next, Blossom is third to the left of Oddbee. Blossom. So this possibility failed. Next, only one domino kept between the Blossom and Generic. Generic, which is not adjacent to Oddbee. So this is Generic. So possibility fails. Next, Hamley and Webb. Crafty, immediate right of Royal. Crafty. Toishan is not, so this is Toishan. So Blossom and Generic. Which domino is 6 to the left of Crafty? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Webby. End of the table. Remaining is Magic and Webby. So only one. Hamley, dash of Webby. Immediate right. 4 to the right of Generic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Crafty. Blossom adjacent to Royal. True. Hamley 7 to the left of Magic. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2. Crafty, end of the table. So only 1 and 2 true. Next one. 8 books were kept in a library, one above the other in a form. One of the book is B. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 books between the S and Q. Only one book between the S and T. So S and Q, S and T. Next, 3 books between the T and V. So 3 books between the T and V. V is below S. V is below S. W is immediately above R. So this possibility fails. And above T. So this is possibility 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. U is neither adjacent to the T. Not below Q. So U, 2 books between the S and Q. 3 books between the T and V. V is kept below S. So only one book between the S and T. 2 books between the T and V. So Q, yes. Only one book between the S and T. Next, 3 books between the T and V. Next, W is immediately above O. And also above T. 4, 5, 6. W is immediately above and also above T. U is neither adjacent to T, below Q. Or below book Q. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many books below U? 2. Sorry. How many books between the T and Q? 4. Immediately above S, that is one book is P. Odd from the rest, WB, SQ, UT, RSQP. 7% Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Z7 after Wednesday. Next, 2% between the Z7 and Z6. 1% Z6 and Z1. Next, Z3 immediately before Z5. For Z5. And afterward, so Z3 immediately before Z5, Z2 avoid immediately before Z6. So Z3 immediately before Z5. Z4 avoid before Wednesday after Sunday. Z4. Next one. How many persons immediately after Z6? Z4. How many persons before Z1? 1, 2, 3. Z3 and Z2. 1, 2, 3, 4. More than 3. Thursday, Z7. Next one. Each vowel in each word changed immediately previous. ZRT, TZP, HD, TN, HD. How many words will have 2 same letters? Same letters. One, two. How many words will have 2 same letters? I think it's none. If each consonants of each word changed immediately. Next. C will have only one vowel. So none. If the first letter of each word replaced by or, run. I think it's two. Third letter. What will be the third letter of the second word? P. Next.